Make sure you're being good, okay? Otherwise, I'll sneak down your chimney and steal your presents. It's what I do. You know that.
What's your favorite song?
My favorite song? You know what my favorite song is.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouthwater, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making Grinch chewy sugar cookies. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 2 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 sticks of butter at room temperature, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of lemon extract, 1 egg at room temperature, green food coloring, and also I have red heart candies. Okay guys, to our bowl we're going to add our 2 sticks of butter. Next, we're going to add in our sugar, our vanilla extract, and our lemon extract. And we're just going to mix it until it's well combined. Okay guys, next we're going to add our egg and 3 drops of food coloring. And we're going to mix until well combined. Now we're going to add in our flour, our baking powder, and also our baking soda. You want to mix until well combined. Okay guys, your sugar cookie dough should look like this. If for any reason it's real sticky, just add a couple pinches of flour to it. But it should be this consistency. So all we're going to do now is roll medium-sized balls. Okay guys, you could set your oven to 350 degrees. On a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, I placed my sugar cookie dough. So we're going to place them in the oven for 10 minutes. Okay guys, our sugar cookies are done. So now I'm just going to add my hearts onto them. Be careful you don't burn yourself. I'm just going to put a heart on each one. Okay guys, I'm just going to put my cookies onto a cooling rack so they can cool completely. Okay guys, we're going to give them some time to cool down. Okay guys, so here we have it, our Grinch sugar cookies. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.